Dang it. Well guys, made it here to the WMA. Hope this is legal, because there ain't no tracks coming in or out of this place. Anyway, look at this. They did a prescribed fire out here. I need to get out there and look for some sheds. We're heading down to the pond. This place it's awesome. I'm the only person out here too. It's a little red and green trick worm. First cast. I got a fish on the first cast. Look at that. Ow. Sitting there trying to adjust. He's a monster. Got a little. Hooked him right in the lip. Look at that. They're all small, but that is too fun. See, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Just kidding. He felt good. See, buddy. Fish on, guys. Ow. Right at the bank. They're all about the same size, but this is fun. See, dude. 5. Dang it. I just hit a piece of rebarb. Well, I've only been out here about 20 minutes, caught 5 fish. Well, about 30 minutes. And kind of lost a bite after I lost that rattle trap. No big deal. I make more every day. Well, guys, I hate to call it. I hate to call it, but a fish is always good to end it on. I hate to end it, but been fishing for about 2 hours. Caught 6 bass, 5 on a rattle trap, 1 on a worm. Really not a bad day. I really enjoyed it. It was nice to go to a new place and catch a few bass. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I mean, look at this. You can't get much better.